going back to Trust Wallet, refreshing it, and yes friends, the tokens have landed and 1000 USDT appeared on the balance. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to generate Flash USDT on TRC20 in just 2 clicks and get a big pile of non-real USDT straight into a Trust Wallet. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Don't try to convert these tokens into real money. So as you can see, I've got 340 TRX in my wallet. Firstly, we need to copy the address of USDT token on TRON network. Next, go to trc20generator.com. I'll leave the link pinned in the comment. This service instantly generates Flash USDT tokens. It will make the necessary code writings in blockchain by itself. Let us look on some bullet points here. This service claims to instantly generate USDT, works with all wallets on the network, is non-custodial, doesn't have access to your funds, and requires no verification. Compared to other methods, using this service, tokens can be transferred only once. System will generate necessary code addition to recipient's wallet when it's sent. It also states that tokens arrive within a few seconds after generation. You can generate Flash tokens in amounts like 1000, 5000, 10,000, 50,000 or 100,000 USDT. It requires certain amount TRX to cover up the generation fee and fixed 40 TRX transactional fee. Alright, let's generate. I'm choosing 1000 USDT for 300 TRX. Paste the address you copied and click Generate Flash USDT. A wallet connection window pops up to pay the fees. I use Trust Wallet, so I'm picking this one. Now switch to your wallet and you will see the connection window. As we can see, the service verified by Trust Wallet. Hit Connect. After connecting wallet, we need to go back to the browser manually. Wait for the connection to finish and then go back to wallet again. This step is necessary to pay the generation fees. Then return to the site and wait until generation is finished. And remember, please do not reload the page. And yes, tokens successfully generated. Now let's check the wallet. Going back to Trust Wallet, refreshing it, and yes friends, the tokens have landed and 1000 USDT appeared on the balance. Remember, you can transfer tokens only once and it can be done in 72 hours. Now let's try to send them somewhere else and see how it works. Firstly, I'm gonna copy the address of my second wallet. Then I go back to the wallet with the Flash token. So I'll try to send Flash USDT to the copied address. Paste copied address, click Max, and proceed. That's it friends. Once again, don't try to scam anyone with this method. Be responsible, good luck, and see you next time. Bye.